Hey folks, welcome to Top 3 in Cybersecurity, a bite-sized view of 3 of the most important news stories in cybersecurity this week. Now let's jump in. Coming in number 1, Pornhub has confirmed it's being extorted by hackers after attackers stole data tied to premium user activity. Now this stolen information includes usernames, email, IPs, subscription status, and viewing activity. These are all for the paying members, and while Pornhub says passwords and payments were not accessed, this breach is pretty bad because of the privacy, reputational, and blackmail risks, put simply, that are being exposed with this personal activity data. Attackers are threatening to leak this information publicly unless a ransom's paid, and reinforcing a growing trend towards data theft extortion. I think there's going to be a lot of folks hoping that Pornhub pays that ransom. So it should be an interesting one to follow. Now coming in number 2, this is a follow-up story to one we've covered multiple times this year involving Jaguar Land Rover. Earlier reporting focused on the cyber attack that forced factory shutdowns and disrupted global production. And now this week, JLR's confirmed that incident has also resulted in the theft of employee payroll data. So the bad gets even worse. The confirmation materially changes the impact of the breach, expanding it from an operational disruption into a data compromise that infects the most highly sensitive employee data. So, pretty tough year for JLR. All right, coming in number 3, the UK Foreign Office disclosed it was the victim of a cyber attack that exposed personal data belonging to staff and contractors. Now, this compromised information includes names, contact details, and officials are saying the incident's being treated as a serious national security concern. And while core diplomatic systems were not taken offline, the breach is pointing to how tough it can be for government departments to handle sensitive international affairs that has all the high-value contact information, and even a limited exposure like this can have serious intelligence and security implications. Okay, that's it for Top 3. Hope everyone's enjoyed this bite-sized view of cybersecurity news, and I'll catch everyone next week.